What is going on, YouTube? We are back today with a Python video coming at you with Bubble Sort. If you want to learn how to build Bubble Sort inside of Python, you definitely come to the right video because that's what we are going to cover in this video. So with that said, like I said in my previous video, if you've seen that one, I'm going to skip over all the boring stuff that is consistent over all the videos, meaning like this read file, print nums, and stuff like that. I am going to include that already at the start of the video. That way I don't waste time taking away from what we actually want to know, such as bubble sort. So we're going to jump right into it. Right after I go through the code, which you may or may not already know. So we have our main. Essentially, there really is no main inside of Python. Just kind of goes down the file and skips over these functions, and then this is where it starts. We got our file pointing to our 10 random numbers, .text file. We have our numbers array, which is an empty. Then we pass it to this read file. We pass in this file, then the numbers. And then we just go ahead and open the file and then read each line, convert it to an int, tell it a base 10. We go ahead and close and jump out of that. Go to print nums, which just prints the numbers out with a space, and then we tell it to remove the end line. So we just put end in double quotes, and then we print a new line after the for loop is done. So then we got bubble sort, which is red right now because it does not exist, which we're going to create again, create here shortly. And then our print nums function again, which calls right back to there. So let's go ahead and jump right into bubble sort. So bubble sort, and then it's going to need the numbers. And then we need our two for loops. So for I in range 0 to length of numbers. And then we need another for loop for j in range, which also is going. This is going to start from I plus 1. And then run up to the length of numbers. And then this is where we do our swap. So we say if numbers I is greater than numbers j, go ahead and set our temp variable. And 1 second as we figure out this error. Too many. There we go. Then we say temp is equal to numbers I, and then numbers I is equal to numbers j, and then numbers I is now equal to temp. A spelling mistake, a typo. And that is all that is to bubble sort. So I'm gonna run it and see what we end up here. Go ahead and run bubble sort. It did absolutely nothing. So that's awesome. Well then, probably help if I put J there instead of I. Let's go ahead and run this again. There we go. So 4, 5, 8, 2, 1, 10, 9, 7, 3, 6 is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's bubble sort, just a minor issue of setting numbers at index I twice. We basically just overwrote our J number there. So we just had to replace I with J, and now our temp is taken care of, and everything's in the correct order. So there we have it. Bubble sort written in Python. Super easy, quick, simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like down below because I would greatly appreciate it. As always, even for your viewership, I'm forever grateful for it. So thank you for tuning in. Have a good day or night wherever you may be. Hope to see you in the next one. See ya.